Okay, I kind of suspected that maybe I would have an issue with my idea of velcroing this to my cabinet door to put stuff in. And the issue is this is material and it doesn't want to stick to the velcro very well. So an easy solution for that is I'm going to take this down, pull off one of the velcro strips, staple it to the fabric, and then put it back up. And that should be an easy fix. I just did the ones in my closet and they're holding very well now. Okay, so what I did was I just stapled the velcro onto, or I stapled the holder onto the velcro, leaving the jagged edges on this side. So all I have to do is just slap this baby back up here. Just velcro it back on. And that should hold like a charm. See, it just holds it really well. Okay, so I'll put my utensils back in. They all fell in the sink. And then I'll do this side. And everything will be good again. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.